Be careful buying a Toyota or Lexus with a 3.5 liter V6 2GR-FE engine. The first thing in the engine bay I usually check is the coolant overflow reservoir. If it's low or empty, that should be a red flag. Even if the reservoir is full, I still check for the leaks because it could have been topped off. It could be something like the water pump or radiator leaking, which isn't the end of the world, but it also could be an external head gasket leak. This car does not have a leak, and I'm going to show what it should look like on camera. The rear bank is harder to see. You have to get underneath the car and use a flashlight to look where the head mates against the block. These next two cars do have leaks, and I'm going to show what they look like and share information on their service histories. When I checked the overflow reservoir, there was pretty much no coolant in there, so started looking at the water pump and the seams of the radiator, but I did not find any leaks there. And that's when I noticed all of this pink crust up by where the cylinder head mates to the engine block, which is an external head gasket leak, either caused by acidic coolant, because it has 150,000 miles, or just corrosion from the Midwest roads, all the salt they put down. I would highly recommend not buying one of these cars unless you get a pre-purchase inspection with someone who knows what to look for. If I were looking for a car with this engine, I would rule any out that have not had the coolant flushed at least once. If you own a car with this engine and you have not had the cooling system serviced, I would get a flush immediately, and I would continue to flush it once every 5 years or 50,000 miles.